Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinches class, and I'm here with our last sound for the reading book. Are you ready? So today we have sound oo. Sound oo comes from two letters, that is double O and O, so we get oo. So let's look at the blends. We have boo, we have foo, who, moo, poo, ru, tu, su, zu, shu, and woo. Yes. Now let's go to word formation. The first one is book, book, book. Then wood, wood, wood. Then the next one is roots, roots, roots. Yes. Then the next one is food, food, food. And the last one is moon, moon, moon. Yes, the moon. So now let's go to the sentences. I have a storybook. I have a storybook. I have a storybook. The next one, plants have roots. Plants have roots. And the last one, may I have some food, please? May I have some food, please? So that's it for the work for the reading book, friends. I hope that you go back and revise all the sounds that we have looked at. Don't forget to go back so that you learn and you become good at all the sounds. That's it for sounds, and for now I'm saying bye bye.